music go.
A new variant of China's Z-19 multirole reconnaissance/attack helicopter wrapped up its firing tests this week. This version of the Z-19 series, which entered service with the Chinese military in 2012, displayed its ultra-maneuverability, and its developer, state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation of China AVIC, has placed high hopes on its marketability overseas. This export model, the Z-19E, conducted multiple flight tests with air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles as well as rocket projectiles in precision attacks, witnessed by a group of foreign diplomats invited to observe the drill. According to People's Daily, the single-rotor Z-19E has a tandem cockpit and a narrow body with miniaturized and comprehensive avionics and weapons systems as well as a millimeter-wave fire control radar on board for multitasking in all weather conditions. Specifically, the versatile helicopter has 2 pylon stores for rockets, gun pods, and 8 HJ-8 or other anti-tank/air-to-surface/anti-ship as well as air-to-air missiles. The model features a large effective payload with a maximum takeoff weight of 4.25 tons on the strength of a pair of WZ-8C turbo shafts of 940 horsepower each. Another feature is its helmet-mounted display to project information to the pilot's eyes.